What up, YouTube? It's your boy John Grams, back with another video. Look, I got a mystery package today. I really don't remember what I ordered. I ordered a few shoes. It's either, I believe, these should be the All-Star or the J Balvin ones, something like that. I ordered a few shoes off of Go. Let's see what it is. Because the quality on these shoes be 50-50, you know what I mean? You never know. You get a decent pair of shoes. Now, they look half decent in the pictures, but this is the moment of truth. We're going to do a little shake real quick. Get this knock out the box. Dang, you know, we're going to do the sunny side up. Cake real quick. Dang. Yeah, this ain't going well. This ain't going well at all. Alright. That worked out somehow. Alright, drum roll, please. Bam! We got the All-Stars, baby, and these things are crispy, bro. Bro, it's like one smudge so far I'm looking at. Let me get it closer for everybody. Hold on. Get on both. Yeah, let's get it on both. So, we got this baby blue on the toe box. It's wrapped with that navy blue all the way around. White with the panels. Bro, look at that bottom, dog. Crispy, crispy, you hear me? You hear me? Crispy. These are crispy, bro. Yeah, these are crispy. Show it to both cameras. Show it to both cameras. Look in the inside. I'm really curious to see what this condition really is on these. The way he got these tied, like he was not trying to wear these. They're not really creased like that either. It's not bad. They in good condition. Pop these out a little bit. Pop them out a little bit. Let's see what they look like. So, for the inside, it's supposed to be the Nike Air. I believe that he has probably worn these in one too many 21 games. Now I'm playing the quality. The actual condition of these is better than I thought they was. So I hit for these, I believe, it was $385. Yeah, $385. So, I think for this shoe is a pretty decent deal. I'll say so myself. These are the All-Star games. Right now they're going for about $700, $800 brand new. These are clean. These are dope. I'm definitely rocking with these, but I'm gonna put these back in the vote until the time comes, because the time is not here yet. But it is not. It is not. It's getting there. It's getting there. But yeah, we got a bottom sole appearance. It's crispy, man. These are crispy. I got a little hoodie to go with these too. Check it out. One sec. Y'all ready? Ready, set, bam! Look at that. Look at that. Crispy. Yeah, that's gonna go real good with it. Hold on. Thumbnail that boy. Thumbnail that. Yeah. Definitely a thumbnail. Boy, I'm ugly in the mud trying to get this thumbnail. Beautiful. I love it. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the beat, man. I got more on the way. Link to my beat store is going to be in the description. Thank y'all for watching. All love. I'll see you on the next one. You dig? You dig? Johnny Grams out.
Boom.